Hey guys, in this video we will learn about the difference between forEach and map. Both the function used for array in JavaScript. What is the core difference between forEach and map is that the map is used to return a new array from the original array. Uh, in that case we use the map, but if we want to do some perform some operation on the existing array, or we want to call some operation based on the original array, we will use the forEach. Let's understand the concept with taking an example. Let's say we have a number 1 2 3 4 5, and we want to uh, double double the numbers, each and every number, uh, and uh, uh, and create a new array. So we use the map method. Let's create a function, do doubles, let's say, and if we like const and doubles and numbers dot map here, and take callback function. Here we return the value of num by multiply by 2 to get the double value, and just return doubles. Let's also call the method, call the function. So here we call, and in below we return the values of each and every. And so let's understand it. First of all, we take the numbers and apply the map method on it, and in callback we pass the current value and return the current value multiplied by 2. So it will go in every iterate the array, and multiply the each value of array multiply by 2. So and return a new array, and we saved it into the variable double. So here we return the double, and if we call that method, it will generate a new array with double the values. So let's run. So here you can see that we have each and every value multiplied by 2. So can we do the same with the map? So let's create another method, and with forEach, sorry, forEach. Okay, so let's copy here and only just change the forEach. So it's doing the same thing, and let's call here and do double with forEach. Let's copy it and call the method. So you can see here we get undefined. That's because forEach never return any value. Like if we even if we return the number and multiply by 2, and save try to save into the variable and return that variable, but even it shows us the undefined because it never return any value, even if we want to return, but it never returns. So what is the use case of forEach? So its use case, if we want to manipulate the original array. So what is the original array? The original array was the numbers. Here what we have. So first of all, let's keep it same and try to console here the original array, because we do some operation like use map uh, and change like apply on a number, but is the original array get affected? So let's here we console it, and as you can see, the value of the original array remain the same even if we use the map. But here for each it's we need to use the num, like actually we need to use the number, and I we need to also take the another parameter of callback, that is the index. So first one is the current value and the second one is the index of the current value. So if we pass the current index into the original array, so that is the original array. So if we perform like this, so and run the code, so now you can see that the original array also get affected. So the main use case for each to manipulate or change the values of the original array, but because it never create a new array from the original array. And also if we want to do some perform some operation based on the original array, like if we want to call some APIs, here we, let's say here we have some IDs of like data we want to fetch, and we will use the forEach, because we don't want to return some values. We only call the APIs, and let's say get some data, and here we have some variable like let's say any variable, Axios data, let's say anything. If we have some like that and we want to some push, we call Axios dot dot get or post method, and save the value into the Axios data, like Axios dot push, and when we receive the data we want to push here data, and these kind of function. So that is the main use case of forEach. So hopefully it will clear the concept and difference between the forEach and the map method in JavaScript. If you really like the video, please do like and subscribe the channel. Thanks.